Pyramid Valley మన పిఎస్సిజంకి సెంటర్. పిరమిడ్ వ్యాధి తయారై పన్నెండేళ్ళ వస్తుంది, ఇంకా ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది. ఇన్ని సంవత్సరాలు అది ఇంటర్నేషనల్ సెంటర్ అయిపోయింది. Pyramid Valley has become international center of PSSM. We are all very fortunate to be here in the center of activity. Every year during Buddha Poornima days, lot of activity happens here. Although last 2 years were silent because of the corona activities, this year it is as usual. So we welcome everybody here physically with wonderful celebrations. Thousands of masters are going to come here from North India. All the masters are going to come here. We are going to have grand celebrations. This is the beginning of all those celebrations.